Wanna know how to play Snake.io for beginners? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io app on Android or iPhone. Or you can also do it on your laptop or PC, so the steps are same. So we have also created a video on how to download and install Snake.io on Android, so make sure to watch it. Now, playing Snake.io is super simple. So you should be on your main screen right here. Just simply select play on the bottom right side. And now once you have done that here, you should be started. Now you can just simply use this joystick right here on the right side in order to control it, as you can see right here. Eat these coins right here in order to get bigger, or just kill other worms to do so. So right here you can see this crown icon as well. This is the high scorer of this current game, as you can see right here. So that's it. That's how you play it. Just simply select this icon on the right side to speed boost, hold it, and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.